relocate to
There we go.
Merlin.
That was fun. That was really, really cool. Loved every bit of it.
Oh, yeah. Hopefully he'll look and see what's up. Look to your left. Or don't. Oh my goodness.
Wow, that is a drop.
Is that somebody down there? It's just
No.
that's snow.
I'm not gonna look. That is a drop.
That's cool, dude. Look at the sun coming in on the left, too.
Oh, it's great. This is amazing.
Yep, I think the truck passed Merlin.
Yeah,
perfect.
good.
Or the truck's not on the road anymore.
Oh, Lord.
There it is.
I'm intentionally over this tight, by the way. Just because.
I think you're on perfectly. You're in the track just fine. Bunch of done diddly puddles on your left. Blah, 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 blah.
Did you see the dude in the Toyota Overland vehicle?
Yeah.
He
seems super excited. He had 20 extra gallons of gas.
He's all kitted out.
Oh, yeah.
In everything REI.
From DC?
Yeah, everything REI.
Oh, yeah, he probably, looks like he has a bunch of money to put into this.
I'm okay with this, by the way.
Well, I hope so. Well, I do have scratch marks on my vehicle from stuff like that. Or, well, Rachel's vehicle. This is gonna be bumpy.
Coast over it.
Imagine taking that at like 70.
Yeah, I don't know that you can.
I think you'd just go airborne and explode.
Look at all this over here. This is fantastic.
Oh, yeah. You want to get there real quick?
Hang a left.
Hang a left.
Thanks for coming.
Of course.
Thank you for being my co-pilot.
Of course. Thank you. Big dip. Big dip. Are you stopping?
Huh?
Why are you stopping?
Because I wanted to look at it, study
the
it.
puddle?
Yeah.
Get your transfer case stuck on that.
Yeah, I just saw that.
You're like, hey, why can't we move? Differential's going.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Why are you stopping?
Because I want to give him room.
He's stopping for us.
No, he's not. He shouldn't. He shouldn't.
Oh, he's trying to get traction.